Are you intimidated by the gym? Think that everyone will be watching and judging you? You really want to get in super shape, but the thought of using your gym membership makes you super nervous? On this channel, we've gone over lots of great workouts, how to level up your home gym, and even how to supercharge your workout consistency. Today, we'll cover how to feel more confident and comfortable at the gym, including a surprisingly effective tactic from celebrity Terry Crews. I'm Coach Matt, head trainer of Nerd Fitness, and I've helped a lot of my clients overcome that gym intimidation with the following steps and concepts. I can still remember some of my early gym trips in high school, being the small guy in the gym, walking into our dungy, poorly lit high school gym with the football team, lifting super heavy weights. That still turned me off for the gym a few years after that. So as you first start thinking about this, realize that most people are concentrating on themselves. I know a lot of us get nervous because we feel like everyone at the gym is watching our every move. Maybe they think that person doesn't belong here, or everyone's gonna laugh at me. And that's just not the case.
Well, I hope that's not the case.
There are generally three types of people that you'll see at the gym. Other beginners who are just as nervous as you and focused on themselves. People who are overly obsessed with themselves, and they'll be the people that are flexing in the mirror, taking gym selfies. Trust me, they're not thinking of anyone else. And lastly, gym veterans who think it's awesome when anyone of any experience level is out there bettering themselves. All that said, I understand that just telling you that you have nothing to worry about doesn't make the apprehension go away. Let's systematically smash those fears instead.
And Hulk. Smash.
Now that we've gotten that out of the way, it's time for our next step. Rate how nervous the gym makes you feel. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being no big deal and 10 being giving a speech in your underwear, how nervous does the gym make you feel? It's totally okay if it's a 10 or more right now. Figuring this out now helps us with our next steps. Next, we find and rate other gym-related activities. So we can think about going to the gym and working out as the final boss. But there's a whole bunch of other gym-related things we can do that won't make us nearly as nervous. We can think of these things as mini-bosses. By working through and defeating them, we gain confidence and expand our comfort zone. These could be things like packing your gym bag, putting on your gym clothes at home, calling up the gym and asking for business hours, looking up pictures of the gym online, driving to the gym parking lot and then going home, or even stepping into the gym and asking the front desk for a tour. Even as I went through that list, I'm sure you had different instinctive reactions to how nervous each of those made you feel. Write down those related activities and any other things that come to mind. Then rate those on a scale of 1 to 10 as well. Awesome, you've just come up with your list of mini bosses to defeat. What else is on your mini boss list? Let us know in the comments below. Now, regularly start completing those other activities that you just added. Just like a video game, we want to start off with the easier bosses. Take a look at the list you made and start doing 1 or 2 of those actions that only make you feel 1 to 5 level nervous. As with some of our other advice, you may start by saying, that's too easy. And that's the point. Any single game you've ever played is going to start easy. You want to build up that XP. Once you're confident there, time to try progressively harder activities. So the crazy thing about stepping outside your comfort zone, it gets easier and easier the more you do it.
It's too easy.
So those activities that made you feel really nervous, well, with enough time, they won't make you feel as nervous. You can then level up by trying more of the activities on your list. Start looking at the things that you initially ranked as a 6 or a 7. Take a tour of the gym. If you haven't already gone to the gym and asked for a tour, this is a great next step. It'll really help reduce the fears when you know where everything is located. This is one of the first things myself and other coaches do when we join a new gym, as every place is going to be laid out a little bit differently. Now to the Terry Crews workout. By now, you know where everything is, so it's time to go in and crush a workout, right? Not necessarily. You might still feel really, really nervous. Terry Crews, if you're not familiar, is a 6'2" muscular dude who hosts America's Got Talent and is hilarious on Brooklyn Nine-Nine. He had the amazing advice of treating the gym like a spa. So when you first start going to the gym, just show up and sit there and read a magazine. This might sound ridiculous, but in Terry's words, it has to feel good. I tell people this a lot. Go to the gym and just sit there, read a magazine, and then go home. And do this every day. Go to the gym. Don't even work out. Just go, because the habit of going to the gym is more important than the workout. This tactic sounds crazy, especially coming from someone with muscles to spare, but he's so right. We should want all of this to feel good, and it should feel good to spend time on yourself. Some of this might sound selfish, but this time we take for ourselves actually helps us recharge and be even more supportive of others. Step 8, arrive with a plan. All right, you've taken the tour, maybe you've started going to the gym with a magazine. When you do feel ready to step into a workout, it helps to come to the gym with a plan. Otherwise, it's really easy to wander around. This is what happened to Gabe. He went to the gym before and tried, but in his words, it never quite stuck because I was doing it by myself. I'd wander aimlessly around the gym, not really sure what the best path forward was. Gabe joined Nerd Fitness Coaching, where his coach provided him with a simple to follow workout plan, nutritional advice, and a mountain of support and accountability. Armed with a clear workout plan, Gabe went to the gym with a lot more confidence and direction and started seeing amazing results, doing pull-ups, working with rings, and even running a 5K. Give Gabe a shout out in the comments below. If you're still looking for some workout plans yourself, you can also sign up for our email newsletter with a free printable PDF of our Beginner Bodyweight Workout. You can also check out the full video of that workout here, too. Time for the lightning round, extra tips. All right, here's a few other quick tips that'll help you feel good going to the gym. Work out during non-peak hours. Try early in the morning when it first opens, mid-morning, or early afternoon. Avoid the lunchtime crowds and after work folk. A piece of equipment or spot taken up, move on to the next exercise and come back later. Totally okay to do that. Still nervous about unwritten gym rules? We've got a full article on gym etiquette that you can check out, but it comes down to give other people space, put equipment back, and clean off equipment when you're done. These are probably skills you mastered in kindergarten. All of these steps may not be fast, but they will be effective, slowly making you more and more confident in any gym. The final step is to reach out to any nervous beginners you see and help them feel more comfortable too. You know what they're going through. Have you overcome your own gym fear? Share your experience with us in the comments below. This is Coach Matt, and I'll see you at the gym.